Hello students, welcome to your English class, English grammar class. Today we'll be doing the topic pronoun, the second parts of speech. Yes, we have done nouns, now we'll be doing pronouns. This word, as you read, pronoun, a word which is used in place of a noun. But student, this is not pronounced as pronoun, it's pronounced as pronoun. Yes, you have done this topic in earlier classes also. You've done the explanations. But as now your class level has gone up, the difficulty level of the explanation also has gone up. Now you will be listening to few lines. Listen to them properly. You can pause in between, make your own notes, and then after doing the class practice, listen and watch it again to make the topic clear. Fine, so let's get started. Pronouns and their kinds. When we speak or write, it's better to avoid repeating the same word. In order to avoid repeating the same noun, we use some other word. A word used in place of a noun is called pronoun. Read the following sentences. Sania Nehwal is a sports person. Sania Nehwal plays badminton. Sania Nehwal plays well. Sania Nehwal became the first Indian woman to reach the singles quarterfinals at Olympics. Now, instead of using the noun Sania Nehwal again and again, we can replace it with a pronoun and write as Sania Nehwal is a sports person. She plays badminton. She plays well. She became the first Indian woman to reach the singles quarterfinals at the Olympics. Some other examples of pronouns could be I, we, you, he, she, his, her, theirs, them, myself, who, these. Kinds of pronouns now. Personal pronouns, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic or emphasizing pronoun, interrogative or interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, distributive pronoun, and lastly, relative pronoun. Let's start with personal pronouns. A pronoun that stands for a person or thing is called personal pronoun. Examples: Poonam is a new student. Earlier, she was studying in Pune. Rohan visited Kolkata and Chennai last month. They are very big cities. What is the shape of this table? It is rectangular. I am participating in the quiz competition. Now, the personal pronouns refer to three persons, namely first person, second person, and third person. First person, the speaker of the sentence. Example, I, we. Second person, person spoken to. Example, you. The third person, the person spoken about. Example, he, she, it, they. Next, possessive pronouns. A pronoun that shows possession is called possessive pronouns. Example, this car is mine, not yours. The house is ours. He lost his books, he needs yours. Here, mine, yours, ours indicate possession, hence they are called possessive pronouns. The following table indicates the different forms of the possessive pronouns. Person, singular or plural, we'll divide them in that ways. First person, singular could be mine, ours. Second person, yours, yours. Third, his, hers, according to male, female category. And theirs is the plural word. Let's go to reflexive pronouns. A pronoun in which the action of the subject reflects or turns back on the subject is called reflexive pronoun. Example, she locked herself in a room. We will solve the problem ourselves. Now over here, first person, I, we, myself, ourselves. Second person, you, yourself, yourselves. Third person, he, she, it, himself, herself, itself. Plural could be themselves. Emphatic pronouns. A pronoun used for conveying emphasis is called an emphatic pronoun. Example, Jatin himself bakes all the bread. Mother herself stitches her dress. Let's go to interrogative pronouns. Words which substitute the nouns and ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. Example, who told you to do that? Whom are you writing to? Which is your book? Whose are those books? Next, demonstrative pronouns. A demonstrative pronoun is used for pointing out the object or objects to which it refers. Example, this is a costly book. These are my favorite songs. This is Raina's house. Those are his clothes. In the above sentences, the words this, that, these, and those are called demonstrative pronouns because they are used for demonstrating or pointing out persons or things. This and that are used in singular number, and these and those are used in plural number. This and these refer to things near at hand, and that and those refer to things lying at a distance. Demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives are different. Read the sentences given below. This is my house. This stands on the noun house. Therefore, it is called a pronoun. This house is mine. This qualifies the noun house. Therefore, it is an adjective. These are woolen gloves. Demonstrative pronoun. These gloves are woolen. Demonstrative adjective. We should remember that an adjective is usually placed just before a noun it qualifies. Next, indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are those pronouns which refer to persons or things in a general way. They do not refer to any particular person. All are invited to the night's party. Many were invited, but few came to the party. One cannot believe your version of the story. Some people are born great. Now, in the above sentences, the words all, many, one, and some refer to persons in a general way. They do not refer to any particular person or thing. Therefore, that's why they are called indefinite pronoun. Now, some examples: anybody, everybody, nobody, somebody, anyone, everyone, no one, someone, all, anything, everything, nothing, something, few, none, several, both, each, either, neither. Next, distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns are those which show that person or things are taken one at a time or in a separate groups. Examples: each of the students has done it. Either of you has done it. I bought 2 books and neither of them is interesting. Neither of the pens is writing well. Now, in the above sentences, the pronouns each, either, neither refer to the number of persons or things, one at a time. Such pronouns are called distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns and distributive adjectives. When distributive pronouns qualify nouns, they become distributive adjectives. Each girl won a prize. There are shady trees on either side of the road. He has 2 daughters. Neither daughter is at home today. These are the distributive adjective examples. Next, relative pronouns. The pronouns who, whose, whom, that, and which join 2 sentences and refer back to nouns going before them. They are called relative pronouns. Examples: the man who is wearing the red shirt is my father. The teacher called the student whose average marks were low. The lady whom you met at the door is my aunt. With that, we come to the end of the topic pronouns. You can review the video and listen to the explanation again. Thank you. Happy learning.